Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe, and this time it's a paneer recipe. This was a super simple recipe that I got from the internet. So I tried it out and it turned out really delicious. Ingredients are also very simple. They're given in the description box below. I've got more such paneer recipes on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Let's jump right in. So on medium-high flame, I've placed a kadai and heated some oil in it. Into this, I'm going to add finely sliced onions and green chillis. We'll saute this until they soften a little bit. Along with this, we're going to add some sliced garlic and ginger. And this is going to be the base for our masala. So let's saute this nicely. So the onions have started turning golden brown in color. At this stage, you can switch off the flame, add in sufficient coriander leaves, and then make a smooth paste of this mixture. In the same pan on medium-high flame, I've heated some ghee. You can use oil as well. And I've got the paste ready here, which I'm adding into the ghee. Now we'll saute this nicely for a few seconds. So you can see the masala is cooked. Now we'll add in some whisked curd into this mixture. Make sure you bring the flame to low when you add the curd, otherwise it will split. So we're going to just mix and make sure everything comes together. The curd has to be at room temperature. So I've added the whole curd into the mixture. Now we're just going to mix everything together and bring everything together. Now we'll add the salt to taste for the dish. Give it a mix and then add in black pepper powder and cinnamon powder. Mix everything together and then on low flame we'll bring this to a slight boil. So once the mixture starts boiling, we'll add in the paneer. So I had soaked the paneer in some lukewarm salted water so that it turns soft and remains soft when the curry is done. So you can mix everything together and we'll let the gravy cook along with the paneer. So once the ghee separates on top, the curry is ready to be removed from the fire. So you can serve this dish with rice or chapati. It's a very delicious and easy, simple recipe to prepare. So try it and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.